Right, this is the Smithsonian Museum. Free to enter. National Museum of American Indians and the National Archives. It's in a beautiful old building. Like, you could probably do this within an hour and a half, 2 hours maximum, and you've done it. Right, we are now in the Museum for American Indians. We're just going to have a look around. So in the Museum of American Indians, it's free entry. So that's really nice. New York. Thank you very much. Really nice.
Very intricate.
Yeah.
The top becomes smaller view. From the big count to the small count.
Same on this one.
Yeah, started with a big count, probably 8. Then on top, 32 counts. Very far. Super nice. This cross stitching with beads.
Cross stitch with beads.
The flat one, the cross stitch. Those bead work you lay on top.
As you stitch it.
It's like you paint, but you're not a traditional painter. You incorporate what you learn. Fish like this.
Yeah.
She incorporated them using, which is crystals. This is acrylic, I think.
I think it's glass.
Is it glass? Because this one is glass, right? And glass is really very attractive. There's one museum in Manila, it's all glass. So look at so nice.
I got a friend at home, Karen Browning. She does glass. No, she does cast glass. This is Lillian Pitt. Excellent. Right, we're just looking in the gift shop. So many nice things here.
So, yeah, I think it's much forward. Yes, absolutely.
Really pretty little colours on these. Some more very pretty ceramics. Basketry for sale. This is $1,800. This one $2,000. This sculpture here, 20 grand. $20,000 for the wooden sculpture. So in the Museum of American Indians, it's free entry. So that's really nice. New York. Thank you very much.